I just got my dream workshop machine. It's a giant 5-foot by 10-foot CNC by Phantom. But in order to use that machine to build out my entire workshop, I needed to learn Vectric. So I was really looking for a step-by-step tutorial guide that could teach me how to master the software, but I also wanted a community that I could plug into as I'm troubleshooting, learning, and growing. But that's exactly what I found with Learn Your CNC.
This is going to take you from an absolute beginner and teach you everything you need to know to get started with Vectric software. And then to get the most out of your Vectric software, you're going to want to go through the additional levels of the course, and that will teach you in depth how to use the rest of the software.
I found it really helpful to just walk through the steps on my own laptop while they're telling me the steps in the tutorials. Let me show you a little bit of what I'm doing.
Then we're going to choose a font, style, and alignment in the project, but you can do some adjustments if you need to. Face far apart. So by not setting a flat depth, that's the diameter, the angle, and the number of flutes. We go much deeper inside of the toolpath section. You want to make sure the cutting depths are set. We're going to click calculate. So that will show you the max depth of cut, as well as estimated time it'll take to complete.
So that's just a peek at the very beginning of what Learn Your CNC can teach you. If you're interested, you can sign up for a 7-day no-obligation Vectric bootcamp to take a look at some of their courses, or you can use code COSMIC to save 10% on the Vectric Master Training course to really learn the nuts and bolts of this software. And they even offer things like one-on-one Zoom training. So if you're in the CNC world learning to master Vectric, this is where you need to start.